In this video we will see how to embed video files in the web page. So I will create again new file video.html. So I will just write basic structure of file. So to embed video, let's just see embed any YouTube video. So go to the any particular video, suppose search here this is Zen King video. We will Jazz King, we will embed it. So click on the more. Okay, just right click on the video and copy embed code. So it will copy the embed code of this video, and we can close this. Okay. So we have to write just paste this inside our web page. So this will use iframe tag, and in this will create a new window in web page with the width of 740 pixels and height of 421 pixels, and it has src source attribute, which will fetch the video from this URL, which is nothing but that video URL, and it has frame border of 0, and it has other attribute as allow slow meter and autoplay, allow full screen, and iframe tag closes. And if we will save this, and if we open this file, then we are able to see that video is actually embedded on our web page. So we can click here and it will start playing that video. So this is how we embed YouTube videos in our web pages. So actually we can resize this if we want. So we want width of only 248 and height of 421. So if I refresh this, you can see that height is and width is changed. So that's it for the video.